Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hello, my name is Amber and I do lots of nail, beauty, and lifestyle related videos. If this is your first video of mine, make sure you subscribe because I do lots of giveaways and there will be one in this video. So today we're going to be talking about my Sparkle & Co. February sub bag. This month's theme was Wizard of Oz theme. And typically you get 3 nail products and a swag item, but this bag we got 4 nail products. There's also a referral program, so if you do end up signing up, make sure you use my name, Amber Riley, and you will get an $18 credit, and I will get an $18 credit. So let's go ahead and dive into this bag. I will link all the info in the info box below, so if you have any questions on the sub bag or anything like that, you can find it in the description box. So I'm digging in here. They always include these cute little confettis. And then with every sub bag, you get a nail liquid. So this month's nail liquid was a cuticle softener, which I have actually never used a cuticle softener. So I am excited to check this one out. It smells like pink lemonade, and I think it's going to be fun to play with. I have never been disappointed by a Sparkle & Co. product to date, so I'm sure I won't start now. So here are the 4 colors we got. Instead of a swag item, we did get an additional nail color this month, and they are beautiful. So you have this beautiful silver, a gold, this emerald color, and a chunky glitter. I really, really loved the colors this month. So this month I did switch from dip powder to gel to try out their gel products because I've been on a builder gel kick lately. I can't believe how good of a mani I get in such a quick amount of time using builder gel. So this first color is called Being a Tin Man at Heart. It's a silver metallic and it's just gorgeous. I did end up using this one and I'm going to show you a sneak peek at the end. This next color, oh, we're still on the silver. Sorry, gel. This next color here is going to be called Lions, Tigers, Glitters. Oh my. And it's a beautiful gold with this gold flecks of glitter in it. Very pretty. I can't wait to get that on my nails. As soon as I saw this color, I was absolutely obsessed. It is so pretty. This is called Emerald City Dreams, and it's a beautiful green color that shifts to pink and blue. It is stunning. And this last one is called Witch Witch, and it's a chunky glitter with all kinds of pretty colors in it. And here's that chunky glitter. So if you guys want to see me do a builder gel mani and get these colors on my nails, I will actually be doing a video because I filmed it. I use the Amalie Builder Gel and Top Coat. I've already repurchased this once. This stuff is my jam. I will link the info on this below. So let me show you what these colors look like on my nails. How pretty is this Emerald City color? And the silver, oh my goodness, these colors applied like a dream. Ever since I tried out the Builder Gel, I have just been loving it. I can't believe that I can get a full mani like this in about 30 minutes. It lasts me so long and it just looks so pretty. So here's that Emerald City color. That's what I used on most of my nails. And then I used the Tin Man color as an accent. So now let's talk about the giveaway. So since I switched to gel, I am not going to be doing sample colors. But what I am going to do is give you guys a big old goodie bag this month. So I am going to include all the Sparkle & Co. info. And these 2 dip powders are actually from last month's sub bag. I haven't used my dip powders in a long time, so I haven't had a chance to play with them. So I'm going to pass that on to one of you as including a bunch of other stuff as well as a bunch of other stuff. I have a ton of glitters, so I'm going to throw in some glitters in a bunch of different colors, some little star and heart cutouts, and that way you have some fun stuff to play with your dip powders. I'm also going to include 2 packs of these water decals, and they have all kinds of cute little designs and things in there, and there's a ton of them, so that should last you a lifetime. Here is a really cute zodiac stamping plate from Maniology. Just make sure you take this blue film off before you use it. I'm going to throw that in there. Also a dotting tool so you can pick up those glitters while you're doing your nails. And this was a part of a little foursome I got and never used. It's an OPI top coat, so I'm going to pass that on to one of you guys as well. So if you want to win this little grab bag of goodies, you have to be subscribed to my channel. Leave me a comment down below on why you want to win. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure you include your email or your Instagram handle so I can contact you. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.